Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to generate a particle text animation using a structured prompt. The process is straightforward. All you just have to do is copy the prompt, paste it into your preferred AI tool, generate the code, and then copy the output into your project. The exact prompt I'm using will be available in the description so you can reuse it directly. And once the AI generates the code, you can review it and explore the structure in more detail on your own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.